To track CreditSaint credit tips. Start by understanding what CreditSaint is. A company that helps individuals monitor and improve their credit scores. Tracking their credit tips can be beneficial in maintaining good credit health. First, visit the CreditSaint website and sign up for their services. Once you have an account, navigate to the Credit Tips section, where you will find various articles and guides on how to improve your credit score. Next, identify the areas where you need improvement, such as payment history, credit utilization, or credit age. CreditSaint provides personalized recommendations based on your credit report, so make sure to review these recommendations carefully. Now, create a plan to implement the credit tips provided by CreditSaint. This may involve setting reminders to pay bills on time, reducing debt, or avoiding new credit inquiries. It is also essential to monitor your credit report regularly to track your progress. CreditSaint offers credit monitoring services, which alert you to any changes in your credit report. Additionally, take advantage of CreditSaint's Credit Score Simulator, which allows you to see how different actions may impact your credit score. This tool can help you make informed decisions about your credit. To get the most out of CreditSaint credit tips, make sure to check their website regularly for new content and updates. You can also follow them on social media to stay informed about the latest credit tips and trends. By following these steps and staying committed to improving your credit, you can effectively track CreditSaint credit tips and achieve a healthier credit score. Remember to always review your credit report carefully and make adjustments as needed to ensure you are on the right track.